Hey guys, we received this generic 4-in-1 digital laser tape measure for test and try. 16 feet measuring tape with a 328 feet laser distance meter with the cross line laser ruler and rechargeable with the 3000 uses or the charges. So it's a great tool to have to measure things. So let me just take this out. So it's a charging cable and then the tool to measure, and also you can easily charge this with this USB-C and the USB. So this is a 4-in-1 like the 16 feet of the tape, 328 with the laser, 33 feet with the cross line mode, and a 90-degree dual size angle measurement thing. So this is the display and the clip, so you can easily put the clip or the lanyard and show. So you can see like the laser red light or the dot in here, so it can easily measure this distance with this red dot light. And then you can also use the physical tape measure to do that. So here on the display you see like all the different distance with the laser thing, and this is the tape measure that you can use. So of course like there will be a little the uh, metric difference, but it still is very nice accurate with the things. So this is a little slight difference because of the reflection, and also like this little bit tilt with the laser, and with the tape is a little different. So but it is almost same or the similar or accurate, I will say. But the good thing is you can of course measure both with the laser and the tape measure, where the tape measure have a limit like how much you can measure. The laser have a longer the limit for that. So you can use in a different mode as well, like you can use the distance, area, or the volume, and with the Pythagorean measurement as a height difference, indirect height, or 3-point measurement. So you can do all this with this tool. And also like the laser have around 328 feet of the distance that you can measure with this laser thing. With a rechargeable thing and then accuracy, it becomes really a nice tool. And also have this product structure in the key function with the display, tape retract button, lens, laser emitter, tape measure port, or the power off and reset button, calculation by switching, and with a toggle between the crosshair and the measurement mode on the sides. So nice tool overall.